Hi, and welcome back to the Villanova Math Learning Resource Center's three-part series in solving systems of linear equations. This is video number 3 on solving by elimination. In order to do the method of elimination, we want to take one of our coefficients in the first equation and get it to be equal to or have a matching value to its corresponding variable in our second equation. So here, for example, we would want to somehow get -2 here so that we could add our equations together and eliminate this x. The way that we'll do that is pretty much just what I did. We'll multiply the entire equation by a -2. So that'll give us -2x minus 2y is equal to a -2. And then on the bottom here, we haven't changed this equation at all, so it'll just be left as -2x plus 4y is equal to 4. So now that the coefficients on our leading x terms match, we can go ahead and subtract our second equation from our first equation. So just like that, we're just going to subtract. Okay? So that means we're subtracting a -2x from a -2x, and easy enough, that goes away and it just goes to 0. Then we're left with a -2y minus 4y, so it's going to give us -6y here. Then we'll subtract on our right hand side, we have -2 minus 4 is equal to -6. Alright, and that'll tell us, once we divide through by a -6 here, and on the other side, we see that y is equal to 1, just as we had in our last set of videos on solving by graphing and solving by substitution. So we can go ahead and plug this back into our equation. Our first equation here, x plus y equals 1. We'll go ahead and plug in our y value that we have here. And that'll give us x plus 1 is equal to 1. Subtracting that 1 from both sides, we find that x is equal to 0, just again like we did in the last video. So the solution to our system is these two values, y equals 1 and x equals 0.